Now I want to show you how to create your own YouTube thumbnails. So right now we'll still go straight to Canva. Let's click on Canva. So right now we're on Canva, we'll go straight and we'll type okay, we have it right here, but let's type it YouTube thumbnail. You search. Once you type it in, you search it. So right now we'll be looking for a look at it. We have here make $3,000 daily, 15 minutes ABS workout. All these things are just templates you can just click on and edit them. You choose the one that is good for your niche, you understand, and you edit them. So right now let me click on this one so that I can edit it immediately, and that is good to go. So right now I'll be editing this based on my niche, you understand. I'm into the business niche. So right now I'll be like into the niche, the business niche I'm into is like how to do this and how to do that. So right now let's check on this. So I like this because of this watch now, this YouTube color, white and red color, telling you to watch now for the video. So right now I'll be like, okay, let's this one on the top here, I don't like it, so I'll be removing this one on the top here, this letter on the top here. Yes, this one, yeah, I'll be removing it. I don't like it, so I'll delete it. I don't like that one. So right now this one, let me go for this. So like I'll edit it and I'll say, okay, I'll like how I like capital letters. How to okay, let's do it this way. How to create okay, so right now we'll be talking about how to create, excuse me, let me turn this. So how to create, you can move it with this. Let me show you. You can move it with this thing here. Yeah, you can move it with it. So let's click on it, then we'll move it upwards. Move it upwards. Yes, so right now we have it. So how to create what? So we'll come to the next one and we'll like how to create a. I'll just like put only a and leave it. So how to create a, I'll go to the next one. I'll clean. How to create a YouTube channel, because this is what a lot of persons are looking for these days. How to create a YouTube channel that pays, not just creating a YouTube channel, but creating one that pays. So that is what people are looking for these days. So that is why you have to go for it, and so that you will have a lot of views through the video. So you can do a lot of things with all these features you are seeing here, effects, formats, all these stuff you can still do with them. You can still do with them. I can still reduce this. You see I'm reducing it to 45. So right now I've reduced it to 45, and I can use this right here to move it. I'll just like move it. I don't want you to touch the clothes of this young lady here. So, but one thing I'll tell you, don't use a paid template like this one right there, right here. If you look at it, you see that here. Let me show you something. You can see Canva. Look at this place, say Canva. Normally anybody that sees it now will know that you downloaded a Canva already edited template and you're using it. So don't use the one that has that Canva embedded in the background. Don't use it. Make sure you use the one that don't have the Canva logo embedded in it. You get? So that is it. So right now you edit all these. I want to edit the color. Excuse me. Let me edit this. It's too big, so I'll move it. Let me move it. You move it. This is so slow, but you keep on tapping on it until it moves to where you want. You get? So I think I'll leave it here like this. So you can still also crop it. Let me crop it some more. Okay. So I think it's good like this. I can change color of this A. Let me change color of this A. So you can click on this color, this place say color. You click on it, then you can change that color to any color of your choice. So let me change it to this. I want it to be noticeable. This, no, this. Let's leave it on red. At least I think it's noticeable right now. Then this white, this YouTube channel, I want to change the color also. So I'll change the color to no, it's not noticeable. Let's check this. Okay, this is very bright and noticeable. Good. I think I'll just leave it like this. Understand? You can edit your own based on your channel niche. You know your brand, you know what you like, you know the color you like, you just set it on your own way. Understand? This is just how to just I'm just teaching you how to just do some certain things. Understand? I want this A to be in the middle, so I will shift it up. Right now it is in the middle. Good. So you just edit it the way you want. Understand? Canva gives you the easiest access to edit all these stuffs at ease. So right now I love everything here. Right now, this is a template. So the video count, that is the video time, will be down here. Understand? The video time will be down here. YouTube will put the video time around here. So make sure you don't put any text around this area. So that is it. So right now this text I will move it a bit so that it will not match with the video time count. So I'll just move it a little. Good. At least with this now it cannot match. So right now I think I'm done. So I'll just go ahead and save it. So I'll just go ahead and save it. So that is it. So for you to save it, you click on this place. For us to save, you click on that place, you click on it. So when you click on it, then you click on this, you draft it. So when you just draft it, to start preparing your design. So right now, after preparing your design, that means you are good to go. So this, you can use Canva to edit this stuff. Understand? You can still change this picture here. If you want to remove the picture, you can remove the picture. You can still change the color of the background. You understand? You can still change the color of the background. You can still change the picture. So right now, it's saved already. It's already saved. So that is how you save your thumbnail. You can just save it straight. So that is it. Thank you.